The human digestive system is composed of many parts that work together, allowing the intake of food to nourish and give energy to the body. Beginning at the mouth, the alimentary canal is a remarkably efficient passageway, extracting precious nutrients and discarding unneeded wastes from the body. Digestion begins with your imagination. Merely thinking of a juicy, cool watermelon on a hot day causes you to salivate. And salivation releases enzymes that will later assist in the digestion of the watermelon. The alimentary canal is a muscular tube about 27 feet long and includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. When you take a bite of food, the salivary glands secrete saliva. Saliva moistens the food and begins the actual process of digestion. Once the food is chewed and moistened, it forms into a mass or bolus. The tongue forces the food into the back of the mouth or pharynx. A swallowing reflex occurs, and the food moves through the esophagus to the stomach by peristalsis, or propelling movements. The stomach receives the food and mixes it with gastric juices, creating a mixture called chyme. The chyme moves from the stomach to the small intestine by peristalsis. Once in the small intestine, the chyme stimulates the release of digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver. The bile salts emulsify fats, which help in the absorption of fatty acids, cholesterol, and some vitamins. The small intestine, which fills most of the abdominal cavity, is 9 to 10 feet long, but loops and coils to fit in a small space. It is comprised of 3 parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The small intestine is the most important absorbing organ of the digestive tract. While carbohydrate digestion begins in the mouth and protein digestion starts in the stomach, both are completed in the small intestine, where particles are absorbed by small blood vessels or capillaries. Fats are also digested in the small intestine. Finally, the contents of the small intestine move into the large intestine, which is about 4.5 feet long. The large intestine, also called the colon, is comprised of 4 sections: the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. The large intestine has little or no digestive function. In the large intestine, the chyme becomes feces, which is then stored until elimination occurs. The human digestive system, from beginning to end, allows us to use our food sources in the most efficient way to give us energy in our daily lives.